So our question here, a bit more of a wordy question, is that a group of 60 children play either violin, flute, both of them, or neither. 24 play violin, 10 play both, and 21 play neither. What is the probability that a child plays flute? This question seems really confusing at first, there's a lot of information. But as soon as we put all of this into a Venn diagram, it's going to become a lot clearer. So we're going to draw our Venn diagram space like this. So this is our kind of space, there are 60 children within this space, and then we have our two circles here. So this one is for violin, this one's for flute. And then the space in between them is for both, and the space outside is for neither. So we'll fill in what we can. Well, 21 play neither, so there's 21 here. 10 play both, so this is 10. And then 24 play violin. So that means there's 24 total in this circle here. And we've already accounted for 10 of that. So in this kind of crescent bit here, there must be 14 more. And that makes the total that play violin 24. And now the only space that we have left to fill in is just flute. And well, they all have to add up to 60, because that's the total number of children. So we add up 14, 10, and 21. And that will take us to 45. Take that away from 60, and we get 15. Then we just look at our question, what's the probability that a child plays flute? Well, we look at the children who play the flute, and that's all of these. So you've got to remember the children who play flute and who play both. That's 25 children altogether, out of 60. Then we just simplify this, so I can see that I can divide the top and the bottom by 5, and I get 5 over 12. So that's our solution. There's a probability of 5/12 that a certain child picked from this 60 plays the flute.